matcha taste test. So basically, yung creator ng Dubai Chocolate has a collaboration with Matcha Tokyo. And kailangan ko ng kodigo. This one is the Iced Dubai Matcha Chocolate Latte. Dubai Matcha Chocolate Cookie with soft serve. It's Matcha Tokyo's usual matcha ice cream. The difference is the cookie. You do get that, pistachio-y flavor. This is for my sweet tooth girly sa best friend ko. I think mabebetan mo to. Nag-process yung utak ko for a good 5 minutes, wondering kung ano yung crunch. There's like kataifi in the middle of the cookie. I like the texture. Baligtad yung straw. Ooh. I like this. Competing siya for top 1 of the matcha drinks I've tried from Matcha Tokyo. I like it because it's not too sweet. There's that nuttery, pistachio-y flavor, and I like the added crunch of the kataifi on top. Matcha butter mochi. It's good mochi. So far, my favorite one out of everything I tried today, the drink.